I'm so sweet, I want a bite of myself. Literally.
What would you like to have, miss?
Why are you screaming? I'll show it to you, it's not real. Oh, here you are. Found it. Where is everyone? Wait!
I hope I didn't forget to switch off something.
Oh, wait! Come back! No one can stop me! Wow! Huh? What's that? Wow! I have to check it. Wow! I was so hungry. Oh, this tastes better than revenge. Oh, wow! They stick together? I can use this. Get out of my way. Let's get cooking. Ooh. A perfect match, like me and Mr. J. Salty, like when I'm hungry. Now kiss, lovebirds. Now, editor, work your magic here. Boom! Wow, what a cool hat. It matches my hair. Now, where is my bag? Ooh, wow. So colorful. I like it. Something is still missing. Now it's better. Time to take some selfies. Gotham PD needs a new mugshot of me anyways. Sausage flipping is my talent. Let's post them. Huh? What? Already a million likes? I need to find an assistant. Or should I make one out of corn sticks? Wow, you are so pretty. Now it's time to go to work. No slacking. I'm watching you. Bye.
You're never safe.
Oh, a button. Come on. Oh. Wow. Yeah, it is coming through. Hope the cow doesn't feel harassed. Thank you, cow. Now let's get to work. Put some more, don't be shy. Here are the ingredients. Milk, checked. Pancake mix, checked. Nice catch by me. Boom! Pour everything in a bowl and mix it up. Wow! It wouldn't be a Harley cake without some colors. Now I need to cook it. Now let's make small pancakes. Put the Gotham Fire Department on alert. Make it drip. I can really fall asleep watching this. Honey, yes, I'm talking to you, the handsome viewer. So good. I can't wait to try it. Here goes nothing. Yummy. I guess I'm full now.
A new dish. Pancakes. A dream come true.
Hey, honey. Ooh. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Diamonds? Okay. About honey, too. Still a sweet topic. Color is always a must. It can never be too sweet. Now that's a beautiful stream. Wow, it's ready. Time to freeze. No, not you, Mr. Freeze. Don't get your hopes up. Time is up. Wow! Now look at this masterpiece. Green like Mr. J's hair. It's still a little bit crunchy. Let's try. Oh, you next. This is even more satisfying than it looks. Ew!
Hello! My friend needs a cooking lesson. Can you help?
Maybe. I guess I could. Where is he?
Down here.
Oh! Oh, hi! Are you ready for your lesson?
Whee!
First step, let's go to the supermarket.
I love shopping.
Are you ready to go shopping? Let's go! Don't forget to take the cart.
Thanks, honey.
Oh, let me reach that for you. What else should we get? Huh. Oh, I think we need this one. Yeah, let's go. Don't speed, mister. I will have to give you a ticket. Oh, here is your bag. Now let's scan the products. Beep. Beep. And some milk. Keep swimming. Beep. Beep. Let's go. You are such a strong guy. Look at you. Finally, we are home. Let's go in my kitchen.
Huh? He's saying something. What? A smaller kitchen? Where?
Now I will teach you how to get some burgers. First we start with that cute little bun. Poison Ivy gave me some lettuce from her garden. I hope it is fresh. It looks so I will give it a try. Now things are about to get steamy. That aroma, so delightful. Don't cry because of the onion. Cry because you will never be as good as me. Hey, Mr. Meatball, can I have some? You go in here, little guy. If you smell what Harley's cooking. All the pieces of the puzzle are here. Tiny pickles cut with a tiny knife by an enormously good chef. That's me. Now let's combine everything into one perfect burger. Hope you're hungry, but not too much, because it's a gourmet portion. Just a few finishing touches. Oh, wow! They turned out so cool! Am I right, Roach?
Thanks, H. I will bring these to my homies. Woohoo! Burgers! Hey, bros! Munchies arrived! Let's have a bro feast! Come, everyone!
Wow! They are learning so fast! Happy graduation, buddy! Is this a party now?
I will make your whole world spin, baby! Woohoo!
They're having a special party!
Right!
Ooh!
Drinks!
Let's rock! I'm so hungry!
Hungry? Pooh. Do you want this?
Ew, no! I want real food! These insects. Oh, wait a second now! Wow, so much leftover food! That is my lucky day! Oh, I'm so hungry! I know what to start with! Ew, that's not cake! Ugh. What is this thing? That's slime! Oh, clay face! Not again! Yuck! Oh, toilet paper! I could use that. So that's a real cake? Yes! That's fake? Oh, this is the right one! I can't believe it's a cake! Let's see what's on the other tables. Mochi! And there are so many! Let's try you first. Sweet as my new cockroach BF. Magnificent! How yummy! This inspired me to cook a little something myself. Place that cup and apply some force. Remove what is left on the sides. Ta-da! A perfect circle. Now let's get some cream on top and fold it. Are you following my lead? Cook it and carefully place it on a dish. Just like this guy here. He can handle the pressure, it seems. Go to your buddies, little guy. They are gonna follow the same fate. Don't feel sorry for them, they're totally fine. Or at least I like to think so. Huggies! Looks like this Huggy Wuggy is dating Kissy Missy. Huh? You look ugly. I'll eat you first. It is so-so. Now it's your turn. This guy is special. I'm sorry. I was just jealous of your relationship. Harley, I I'm coming for you, girl. Come here. Harley, I made you a mochi joker. This or this? This? I guess I still miss this guy. Oh. Slow down, Harley. Gotta behave in front of the camera. But this tastes so good. Hope this doesn't look too weird. Huh? That's the key to the way out. And bye.
Happy birthday! She'll get a blast out of this.
Is this a trick candle? Joker!
Hey, the cake survived!
Ew, don't touch my hat.
Ugh, so good!
Think it's the best. Challenge accepted.
No, you open it!
No, you stop. Make it easier.
Sugar! Ooh.
So yummy. Challenge is who can eat the fastest. Go!
Ah! Oh, yeah! Come to Papa! I hope my dentist doesn't watch this.
Cotton candy is part of a balanced diet, right? So good. I'm gonna lose to Joker. I can still win. Now his lead simply melt away. Bye-bye, cotton candy.
Last piece. I love winning. Wait a second. What?
All done. You lose.
Oh, but how did you do that? Oh.
It was so easy.
Will you show me? Ooh, all this will fit in there?
Of course, cotton candy is just sponge sugar, silly. It dissolves in liquid. See?
Like magic! I bet it tastes so good! What's that?
Huh?
Time for a little payback! Hope she likes soda!
There's nothing here. Ooh, the cotton candy mocktail. Oh, what the?
And what do we have here? More treats for my favorite person, me! I've always wondered what rainbows taste like. Sweet! Oh, I didn't forget about you. Miles of goodness.
Oh, hello there. My favorite. Green flavored.
Oh, my candy's disappearing.
There goes my Lady in the Tramp moment.
Ah, cut it out, Harley.
I'll take my own snack. Hey, Joker!
Huh?
What? Did you see something scary?
Let's take a closer look. Candy! Oh, they look and feel so real. I better check them out. Oh, so chewy. And gooey. I love it.
There better be something good under here. A hot dog! Just one thing missing. More ketchup! It's a thing of beauty. Huh? Choo-choo, heading for the tunnel.
Wait, you want me to eat that? I'm too cool for vegetables. I'll just borrow Harley's hot dog.
Buzz off.
Come on, be a pal. I want that hot dog. And I'll need my special fork to get it. Wow, you are perfect. 3 feet, 10 feet, a little more. That should be enough. Ooh, huh? Go away, bird! Shoot! Get lost! Here, have some broccoli. Watch out, Harley dear. Here I come. Zoink! Ooh, we meet at last. Can you give me the ketchup also?
Okay. I'll give him something he won't forget. First, pour some baking soda into the ketchup bottle. Close the lid. The vinegar and the ketchup will react with the baking soda, then boom! Here you go.
Ah! Make it stop! Make it stop! What did I do to deserve this? Harvey! Ooh, another surprise dish. What could it be this time? Ooh, popcorn. Ah, but it's not green. Ah, I'm not eating this. You have it.
Oh, I can make this colorful. I'll need my frying pan. And then I'll mix camels and colored candies. Don't forget the lid.
Oh, yeah, let's cook it. I hear popping.
Turn it off.
Just a bit more. Ah, oh my gosh.
Babies, seems like you're drowning.
At least we learned how to make cute popcorn. Here's the next challenge. Oh.
No way.
Chess? I mean, we can't play.
Boring.
All right, I'm gonna start. Take that.
Then I'll move this one here.
You are better than I thought.
Should I kill him? No? Now I should go there. Why not? What?
Checkmate. Bye-bye, King. You're so bad at this.
I hate this game. Have fun picking up the pieces.
No! You're gonna break our game. Oh.
Oh no, I'm so sorry. I'll fix it. Pass the gelatin mix. And add hot water. Then just a drop or two of food coloring. Then give it a good stir. These cheese figure molds will be perfect. Come on. See? No more broken figures. And they taste as good as they look.